Hello, this video will show you 3 ways on how to check if a property exists in an object in JavaScript. So we have an object named person and it has 2 properties, the name and the age. The first way to check if a property exists in the object is by using the hasOwnProperty method. Let's create an if-else condition. Let's display a message if the property exists as well as if it does not. Now let's run the script in Node.js. The second way to check if a property exists in the object is by using the in operator. The third way to check if a property exists in the object is by checking if the property is undefined or null. So that's it. Those are the 3 ways to check if a property exists in a JavaScript object. Thank you and see you in the next video.